Meet my girls. Hey, I'm gonna miss you. I'm not judge. Guys, Ghana is playing today. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm going to Ghana today. My friend actually slept over. Meet my girls. Hey, I'm gonna miss you. Guys, I'm going to Ghana this week, and my friend will join me next week. She's gonna have a shower now. Go. So guys, back to me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You know what time is it? A trip. Yeah, this is my Bangadu nails. Bangadu. This is my Bangadu nails. I have my installation, my lashes. This is my full feet. Yeah, you guys cannot see the full feet here, but it's just a simple casual outfit, a top and a leggings, and my banging body. Oh shit. Why am I so happy? Anyways guys, I'm heading to Ghana. My flight is for 1, and this is already currently 9 a.m. so I'm about heading to the airport. I just had my shower and I look good, my sunscreen. So guys, putting on my watch, my travel bag is ready. I'm ready to explore. This is July. My birthday is on the 14th. You guys know, because I'm announcing it. Anyways, this is my travel bag. Yeah, this is my travel bag, and off we go. Meet you guys at the airport. Kwaba. See you guys soon. Love you. Guys, we've landed in Ghana. Welcome to Accra. Let's see what the city holds. Hi guys, so I just arrived Ghana, and guess what? I was so hungry. Like, the airport scene, this has to be the worst flight ever, but I don't want to have a low energy or a negative energy, because they told me I can't travel with my power bank because the plane is small. I was like, what's going on? I do travel with this power bank, and they said the power bank is 30 kmh, and the limit for traveling is 27 kmh. After much that, I even cried at the airport because I can't handle stress and pressure. Anyways, I'm successfully here. I've arrived, and guys, I was so hungry, famished and tired. I had to like stop for matcha and pasta. So this is the chicken presto pasta. Yeah, this is chicken, and I'm trying it. This is my ick to try Ghanaian food is really high, and I think I just quenched it. So I like the fact that the pasta is not like too sweet. It's just healthy. You have tomatoes, lettuce, chicken and pasta. And I had to spread the tomato sauce base on it, so this is nice. And then matcha, important. So guys, I'm just outside of my hotel. Yeah, I'm outside of the lounge, and I think I'm going in soon. So I just want my friends to check into the reception, then I come in. So guys, what's good Ghana? Please be friendly. Please, Ghana, be good to me, okay? Guys, just got to the lodge. Oh my god, this place is like a dream come true. I love this apartment. So nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a wonderful stay here. You guys just check it out. Check it out. Oh my god, guys, this apartment is so nice. Woo. Hi guys, good evening. Hi guys, how you all doing? How is everything? Alright guys, let's go. Aquaba. So guys, my full outfit. Oh my god. It's my wig, Ghanaian t-shirts. Let's go and watch the match.
Karatika, everybody has Karatika, Karatika, where Madaku, Karatika, Karatika.
Guys, what's good? What's popping? So after that performance, I want to get suya. Yeah, this is a good thing. See, some of you, you buy Korodu, you buy Azekule. Me, I enjoy myself. It's very nice one. Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm off to the gym. Yeah, this morning I'm going to the gym. This is my outfit check. I'm putting on socks and this is just it. Let's go to the gym. The workout for today. I'm going back to my room. Guys, this gym is nice. I think this gym is very nice. So I just finished working out and the gym is actually empty. This is just like 8:30 in the morning. So I think that's why people are not yet out. I don't really know and I don't bloody care. I'm done with the workout for today. Maybe I'll be here again on my stay, maybe not. Hi guys, what's good? What's popping? So another day in Ghana and I'm going to try the famous banku with okra soup. So guys, let's go. I'm super excited. I just feel like
living the pilot.
I just feel like this okra soup and Nigerian okra soup no different, but let me just try. Let me not judge. I've not tried Ghana jello, but I'll try it. But let me try this thing first. So let's go. Oh yeah. Hi guys, good afternoon. What's good? What's popping? So I'm out here to taste the famous Ghanaian banku. Yeah, banku is like a swallow, and yeah. So we're here. Banku is a swallow, and I'm just having this okra soup though. So let's go. So guys, I'm at the Independence Square here in Ghana. Guys, I got a new pair of Zara shoes. Oh my god, I super love them because they're polka dots, and here are my birthday gifts. So guys, this is the next hotel. Yeah, diamond in the seat. Morning. So I'm going for the waterfall massage today. So I just got picked up and I'm gonna be putting on my wig this video. Just arrived. This guys, I'm here. There's water here. So this water never stops. Forever. Okay. So guys, we're at the car museum now and we're about to check it out for real. Let's go. Are you ready for this? Are you guys ready for this vlog? Because I'm ready.